This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 53,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.